In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Surveymonkey respondents to take your survey multiple times, which can be especially useful for shared devices or during group testing. Let's dive right in. For those of you using web link, website, or social media collectors, you'll be glad to know this feature can be easily enabled. By default, many of these collectors limit submissions to just a single response per browser session. This safeguard is often in place to ensure data integrity by preventing duplicate entries. However, there are scenarios, like in classrooms or public kiosks, where you might want to allow multiple submissions from the same device. To override the default setting and allow multiple submissions, start by heading over to your survey's Collect Responses tab. Once there, you'll want to click on the specific collector you're using, whether it's a web link, a website, or through social media channels. This action will bring up a range of options you can tweak to suit your needs. Search for the Multiple Responses option. This is your key to flexibility. Simply switch it on to enable multiple submissions. It's a user-friendly toggle, so a simple click is all it takes. Fortunately, there's no need to worry about losing your settings because changes save automatically. This will mean the same device or browser can now be used to submit numerous entries, and those coming back through the same link will no longer be greeted with a frustrating "you've already taken it" message. This capacity is incredibly beneficial in group environments. Think about a classroom or a public computer terminal where different participants might be taking turns using the same machine. By allowing multiple responses, you streamline the survey-taking process and facilitate a smoother experience for everyone involved. No one is turned away, and you receive the number of responses you need. Now, let's talk about a related feature: editing responses in this multiple submission context. When multiple responses is activated, the way response editing operates changes slightly. It's important to note that respondents can only edit their answers during an active survey session. This means that once they submit their responses and exit, all data tied to the session, such as cookies, are cleared. If they return to the survey later, they won't be able to pick up where they left off. Instead, they'll be starting fresh with a brand new response. This setup ensures each submission remains distinct and free from accidental alterations, preserving the integrity of your data while still allowing for flexibility in how respondents provide it. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to accommodate multiple survey submissions on shared devices, while understanding the nuances of response editing within this framework.